Hi, welcome back to Hybiz News. This is Sat. Smart wearables and GPS tracker maker Garmin launched a new smartwatch Forerunner 55 that is designed for beginners to track their stats and chase their fitness goals. Priced as rupees 20,990, the all-new Forerunner 55 comes in three exciting colors: black, aqua, and monterra green, and is available on both online and offline stores. The smartwatch is lightweighted, comes with a sleek look, and has all the primary features including PacePro and cadence alerts, which help the runners to focus on their running and training fundamentals and take it to the next level. The introduction of the new Forerunner 55 adds another feather to it. The smartwatch is well equipped with features like built-in GPS, heart rate monitoring, race predictor, women's health tracking, and a lot more to help the user in improving their lifestyle and overall well-being. Rizvi, Director, Garmin India, said in the statement. An easy-to-use smartwatch engineered with Garmin's latest technology is a perfect partner to support the users in achieving their set goals with maximum satisfaction, Rizvi added. Thank you for watching Hybiz.